This is a Whirlpool Duet Sport washer, and the problem with it is that the soap, I don't know which one is, but the soap, detergent here, bleach, whatever, it's not going into the drum. It stays here. Okay, you can remove this very easily with the lever. Just put it aside. Check. It's very dark, but check here that it's not clogged. Sometimes it's very dirty. And the next thing you have to do is, I'm just gonna zoom out here. There are, oops, it's very blurry. 3 screws in the back of the washer. It's like one here, one here, one here. You just remove them, and then you push this back a little bit, and you're able to take the top off. Okay, so the problem with my soap dispenser, or I don't know exactly the name, is that this thing right here comes out. There's a little motor here, electric motor, and it has a cycle that it's so you can see here there is a thing right there, so there is a cycle. You can put it there just like that. Right, it has only one way to put it, and that's gonna move this right here, and this piece right here is what moves the internal mechanism that switches the flaps or whatever to go either so that the water goes here or goes here. Anyway, what I did was I repaired this part right here. Yeah, I just put a plastic ring and some glue, just some one of those glue guns, I believe they're called, that you plug into, and then it gets warm, and then you just squeeze it and put it. That's basically what I did. And the next, I'm gonna show you a video on what the problem looks like. Okay, so basically I'm gonna stop talking here, and what you're gonna see, it's first the failure, and then how it works like it is right now. I hope this helps repairing your washer.